Discover the joy of homemade artisan bread with the top 5 best bread ovens that bring bakery quality results right to your kitchen. From crispy sourdough crusts to soft, tender crumbs, these ovens deliver exceptional heat retention, steam circulation, and versatility. Perfect for beginners and seasoned bakers, each option combines durability, style, and performance for flawless loaves every time. Number 1. Crustlove Cast Iron Dutch Oven for Bread Baking. The Crustlove Cast Iron Dutch Oven for bread baking is a must-have for anyone who loves the art of homemade bread making. Designed to deliver an authentic baking experience, this set includes not only a pre-seasoned 5QT Dutch oven but also a Banneton proofing basket, silicone bead sling, scoring lame, dough whisk, and more, everything you need to bake like a pro. With its sturdy cast iron construction, the Dutch oven ensures even heat distribution, creating that perfect crispy crust and soft, fluffy interior every bread lover dreams of. Whether you're making sourdough, whole grain, or artisan loaves, Crustlove makes the process simple and enjoyable. The included recipe booklet, in English and Spanish, is a great bonus for beginners and seasoned bakers alike, helping you expand your bread-making skills. Beyond the kitchen, this oven is perfect for sharing fresh bread with loved ones at BBQs, breakfasts, or picnics. Beautifully packaged, it also makes a thoughtful, ready-to-gift option. Backed by the Crustlove promise of quality and service, this Dutch oven is more than cookware, it's your partner in creating homemade memories. Number 2. Nuovva Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven Pot. The Nuovva Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven Pot is a versatile and elegant addition to any kitchen, designed to deliver both performance and style. Crafted from premium quality cast iron, it ensures outstanding durability, superior heat retention, and even heat distribution, key factors in achieving bakery-style bread at home. Whether you're preparing sourdough, artisan loaves, or hearty whole-grain bread, this Dutch oven provides the perfect environment for flawless results. The enameled finish is not only visually appealing but also highly practical. It's non-reactive, rust-resistant, and scratch-resistant, making it safe for all types of dough and ingredients while ensuring effortless cleanup. The smooth surface prevents sticking and maintains the pot's pristine condition for years of reliable use. Designed with bread lovers in mind, the tight-fitting lid traps steam to create a moist crumb and a beautiful golden crust with every bake. Beyond bread, its versatility makes it equally perfect for roasting, stewing, and slow cooking a wide variety of dishes. Available in a stylish blue finish, this Dutch oven transitions seamlessly from oven to table, doubling as a striking serving piece that enhances your dining experience. Number 3. Cukor 7QT Dutch Oven for Bread Baking. The Cukor 7QT Dutch Oven for bread baking is a powerhouse for home bakers and cooking enthusiasts, offering both capacity and versatility. Crafted from premium cast iron, it ensures superior heat retention and even distribution, giving your bread a perfectly crispy crust with a soft, tender interior. The natural non-stick surface only improves with use, remaining 100% food-safe and free from harmful coatings. With its generous 7-quart capacity, this Dutch oven is ideal for baking large artisan loaves, sourdough, or sandwich bread, perfect for serving 3 to 5 people without the need for multiple batches. Its multifunctional design extends beyond bread, making it just as useful for braising, frying, roasting, or stovetop-to-oven recipes. Compatible with gas, electric, induction, and ovens up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it's a true kitchen workhorse. The thoughtful design features ergonomic handles for secure grip, flared edges to prevent dough sticking, and a tight-fitting lid that locks in steam for the ultimate crust. Its smooth enameled finish resists rust and scratches while ensuring effortless cleaning. Backed by Cukor's reliable after-sales support, this Dutch oven combines practicality, durability, and exceptional performance in one indispensable pot. Number 4. Le Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Bread Oven. The Le Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Bread Oven is a premium choice for bakers who want professional quality results at home. Crafted from legendary cast iron, it delivers unmatched heat distribution and retention, ensuring your loaves bake evenly with a perfect balance of crispy crust and tender crumb. Its tight-fitting domed lid is expertly designed to trap and circulate steam, creating the ideal environment for maximum rise, crisp crusts, and outstanding flavor. The oven's low-profile base features raised ridges that encourage even browning while imprinting the iconic Le Creuset 3-ring mark on your loaf, adding a signature artisanal touch. With a durable porcelain enamel finish, this bread oven requires no seasoning, resists chipping, staining, and cracking, and minimizes sticking for a stress-free baking experience. Inside, the matte black satin enamel enhances baking performance by developing a natural patina over time, making it even better with use. Easy to clean and maintain, this bread oven combines functionality, durability, and timeless elegance. Perfect for artisan sourdoughs or classic sandwich bread, the Le Creuset bread oven is a beautiful and reliable addition to any baker's kitchen. Number 5. Ciwete Cast Iron Dutch Oven for Bread Making. The Ciwete Cast Iron Dutch Oven for bread making is a versatile and stylish kitchen essential, designed to meet both everyday cooking needs and special baking projects. With its 6-quart capacity, it provides ample space for preparing hearty family meals or baking artisan loaves of bread, making it a reliable companion for soups, stews, roasts, and more. Crafted from high-quality cast iron and finished with a 7-layer enamel coating, this Dutch oven ensures exceptional heat retention and even distribution, delivering consistent results whether you're slow cooking, braising, or baking at high temperatures. It locks in moisture, nutrients, and flavor, giving every dish a delicious, authentic taste. The smooth enamel interior offers natural non-stick performance, reducing food sticking and making cleanup effortless. Simply wipe or rinse, and it's ready for your next creation. Beyond functionality, its elegant design and variety of colors make it a stunning addition to any kitchen, easily doubling as a serving piece. Durable and highly compatible, the Ciwete Dutch oven withstands up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and works seamlessly on ovens, stovetops, and even camp stoves, perfect for both indoor cooking and outdoor adventures.